Aviar, listen, the human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is so much better than anything they got out there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. They dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's better. Taken from me. I'm on the shore, they work for days. Up in the sun, they slave away. Darling, they're boating, fruit and the floating under the sea. Then we all the fish is happy as I through the way they flow. The fish on the land is happy.
Huwag ka dyan, be. Ma-aksidente ka dyan.
Saya-saya niya.
Isa. You can do it. Up, 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 up. Kapit ka nak sa ano. Yan, kapit be, kapit. Very good, Jaden. Up, 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 up. Very good, Jaden. Go, Wancho. Wait lang nga. Go, Wancho. You can do it, Wancho. Ang galing ng strategy ni Wancho, ah. Good job, Wancho. Oh! Go, Liana. Mas mahirap din yung ano yan, ginawa natin doon sa ano. Oh, Liana, sit down. Dadala. Bye, Jaden! Look, oh! Hi, octopus! Hi! Hi! Parang si Koke, ah! Hello, Koke! Octopus! Ay, sis, nag-close ng eyes. Yeah, oh, nag-close ng eyes yung octopus, oh. Yeah, yun, oh. Ayun, look the eyes. Ito pa yung ano kanina, gumagalaw. Isda. Kapit, Pancho!
Kapit, anak, kapit!
No, one shot.
Tinawag kita.
Doon ka man naman, be. Sit down, anak. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Thank you, kuya. One shot nagbababa, ah. Okay.